Alright, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'll ask you some questions you got to answer. Do you like English as a subject?
Yes, of course. I like English since my childhood when I was a student of.
Excuse me. When you say I like English since my childhood, is it correct? With since my childhood, you should use present perfect. I have always liked English since my childhood. Because when you say childhood, that is past. So something that started in the past and at present, even you like that, for that we use present perfect tense. Right? So I've been a very naughty child since my childhood. It means even now I am naughty. Okay? Now, let's go on. Do you like English as a subject?
Yes, of course. I have always liked English subject since my childhood. When I was a student of class 10, I have perfect in learning. I was interested to learn about English language very much, like tenses, grammar, etc. And at that time, I was perfect. Today, I am a perfect in English language.
Okay, so let's go on. Do you think English is a difficult language to learn?
Not at all. English language is not difficult language because if we do struggle to learn English language, then it is not difficult.
All right.
To learn.
Are you feeling any pain?
No, sir.
And what you say? Try to overcome that.
Okay, sir.
And when you practice, then you'll be fine.
Okay, sir.
Now let's go on. Do you think speaking English is challenging?
Yes, of course. Especially, I think about that when I was speak about that, and practice makes a man perfect. Nothing is impossible. So
These two sentences are irrelevant. Practice makes the man perfect. Nothing is impossible. Don't try to use any set phrases like this. It's what we call set phrase. So in IELTS, they will check your own English. If you tell them any cliche, any saying, like Shakespeare said rightly, and you tell the quotation of Shakespeare, that doesn't belong to you. Okay, and
sir.
try to give clear answers. For example, if I say, do you think spoken English is difficult? You say, well, I think yes, because you are not familiar with the accent of new language, something like that. Okay, now one last question. Would you like to learn another language in the future?
Yes, I would like to learn about Arabic language in the future because our holy book Quran is sent in Arabic language. So to answer your question, I would love to learn Arabic.
Okay, that's very good. So practice all these topics, and at least there should be a couple of ideas and 4 or 5 good words. Good words means synonyms related to the topic, right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's go on. It's your turn. Do you celebrate your birthday?
To be honest, I don't usually celebrate my birthday because it's like it's not compulsory. Everyone just knew like it's my birthday, so they knew like it's. But I never try to celebrate like it's compulsory for me.
Okay, that's very good. Have you ever received any gifts on your birthday?
Yes, like my family like knew very much. They always just knew like the birthday is just coming, so they always try to surprise me and just try to give me something. So obviously they knew like the birthday is coming, and I got some gifts from my brothers, from my sisters, from my family.
Okay, they knew my birthday is coming. I got some gifts. Yeah. My question is in the present tense. So you should say they know that it's going to be my birthday. That's why they bring me some gifts and all that. Why do people cut cake on birthdays?
Because they just feel happy at the moment. Like they just want to, just make some memories. To cut the cake, to take some pictures. They just want to celebrate in a way like they just want it memorable. So it's
alright. Just try to answer that you are showing interest in the answers. Although you're not showing any interest in birthday topic, you are speaking about it as it is something irrelevant or unnecessary and all that. But still you need to focus your English language. Even if you, for example, why do people cut cake? Well, people cut cake for many things, that they kamalas and all that. Yeah, so you need to show interest in the topic.
And even if it's my first day, so that's why I'm
doesn't matter. First day is most important one.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah. So you need to show interest. Now, first day, if I tell you that you show interest, then on last day you will show interest. So whatever you learn today, it will reflect after 4 weeks. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. One last question.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever attended a birthday party?
Yes, sir. I attended my friend's birthday party. Like, he's my friend since childhood. Like,
He has been my friend since
has-
childhood.
he has been my friend since childhood. So I never try to attend some parties or like any function. But he just invited because he's my one and only friend. So I just attended the ceremony. Like it's.
Alright. बहुत मजबूर हैं आप है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright, this is good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.